Hello, my name is Isokmir Rustemovich. I am a second year student at Astana University studying computer science. This is my presentation about the internship I completed at Fortebank, specifically in their IT department from June 9 to July 5, 2025. I did my internship in the IT department of Fortebank, leading bank in Kazakhstan. The main focus was on front-end web development, working with real-time data from APIs and connected a web from to a database. I worked under the guidance of an experienced developer who helped me learn the internal development process of the bank's IT team. And uh, the objective of its internship were to gain practical experience in web development, to learn how to use external APIs and connect it to a website, to store form data in a MySQL database using PHP, to improve my programming and problem solving skills, and to understand how software development works in a banking environment, and technical use. Here, as the main technologies I used during the internship for the front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Bootstrap. For the backend PHP, I used an API from SNGrade API.com to display the current UZT KZ exchange array. And for data storage, I used a MySQL database. The main to work with me was Visual Studio Code. The week 2 and 2 pages. During the first 2 weeks, I learned about the IT structure of the bank. I analyzed the public website for the Gazette, especially its decision and the function. I created a wireframe for a new landing page, which include a banner, benefits section, a feedback form, and a call to action button. After that, I choose the teach stack and the plan how does the final white should look. And we third, um, in the third week, I focused on coding. I create a responsive landing page using HTML, CSS, and the Bootstrap. I connected to the user tech exchange rate API using JavaScript. I also developed a feedback form with input validation and connected it to a MySQL database using PHP. This gave me a lot of experience with both front end and back end logic, and uh, and in the last 2 weeks I focused in finalizing the project. I refined the decision, improved responsive for different device, and fixed some bugs, present the working prototype to my mentor, and I got valuable feedback. In the conclusion, um, this internship gave me real hands-on experience in the development. I improved in my technical skills, especially in using APIs and database. I also learned a lot about working in a team, planning my time, and solving problems independently. Most importantly, I realized that really I enjoy working in the fintech field, and I want to go in this direction. Thank you, and uh, my report. Mm, I completed my internship at Fortebank IT department from June 9 to July 5, 2025. The following report describes my project technologies I used, tasks I completed each week, and the results. The report is structured into five main parts: international information about Bank internship activities, conclusion and the reference. Then um, there are also two appendix, the calendar plan and the official evolution. Always introduction. Um, in the introduction, I explain the main goals of the internship. I wanted to improve my front-end development skills and gain experience in a real IT environment, especially in the banking industry. I worked on a real digital product under the guidance of a professional mentor. And about Fortebank, um, the section gives background information about the company. Fortebank is one of the large banks in Kazakhstan, known for its strong digital service. The IT department develops and maintains web and mobile apps, APIs, and ensures cybersecurity. I joined the front-end development team and worked on an internal landing page and internship activities. Uh, Here is the most important part: the weekly breakdown. I will briefly explain what I did each week. First week, I studied the structure of the IT department, internal documentation, and meet with my mentor to define project goals. And second week, um, second week, I analyzed the bank's website decision and created wireframes for a new landing page that includes exchange rates and feedback from accept HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the Bootstrap 5 as the main tools. And and the third week, I developed the front-end wallet and made it responsive, and I integrated a current exchange and integrate a current exchange rate API using JavaScript. Then I created a feedback form, connected it to local MySQL database using PHP, added validation logic. Hmm. And for week I fixed bugs, improved responsive, and presented the project to my mentor. After feedback, I made final edits and started working on the documentation. Mm, and final and and I completed the report and submitted our files, code, screenshots, and supporting documents to both the company and the university. And the conclusion. mm, in conclusion, this internship gave me valuable real-world experience. I learned how to build full-stack web applications, improve my coding and communication skills, and gained insight into vintage development. I am thankful to Fort Bank and the Astana University for this opportunity. And the reference calendar plan characteristics. Um, I include reference for the technology and the tools used The appendix contains the weekly calendar plan and the signed evolution from my supervisor. Thank you. Goodbye.